Okay, this is where I'm at today. I just welded up my stands, added another section of pipe, made my stands a little taller. Great idea for holding fenders, for painting them. And then I just welded a washer and a bolt at the bottom. And then another little pipe at the top with a nut and a screw so I could make it wider or shorter, depending on what kind of fender I'm trying to hold. I've seen other people make them out of PVC and stuff like that, but I wanted to make mine out of metal, a little more sturdy. They're not gonna go anywhere if you bump it. You're not gonna knock over or nothing. So I like it. Cost me probably, I think I got about $30 or so in metal. Works pretty good. But that's where I'm at today. Getting ready to clean up the garage a little bit. Shoot these parts in primer again. Got my side cover sanded down. So shoot a coat of primer on those. And get her done.